how to do this insane day-to-night transition. But before that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Film the scene at daytime. In this case, I am filming without a model, but it also works with the model. Next, film the same location at night from the exact same angle. Maybe the model is wearing something else now. Then film this flashlight pull down in front of a green wall. Now open these clips in the CapCut app. First the day, then the night, and then the green screen clip. Select the white box in between the day and the night clip. Go to Overlay and select Mix. Now you have this transition from the day to night clip. Now scroll over to your green screen and hit Overlay. This will drop it to a second layer, so you can pull it under the day and night clip. Hit Cutout, Chroma key, and select the green area. Pump up the intensity, and you can see the green background vanishing, revealing the city in the back. Now just line up the flashlight pull down, move with the city lights changing, and once you have that, export the video. I hope you liked this video. Do subscribe to the channel for upcoming video tutorials. See you guys in the next one.